Hey guys, it is your girl Madison Sky Makeup coming back to you with another YouTube tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today. This is a look that we are going to do. I wanted to do something soft. I want to do something natural, kind of like a no makeup look, but obviously it's makeup. But the skin looks healthy, it looks vibrant, it's glowing. I know I've had questions about that glow from within look. So today I wanted to bring you definitely that look. And I'm using pretty much all Black owned makeup brand products in light of everything that's going on in our country, world today. I definitely wanted to pay homage and highlight those Black owned brands that are doing amazing stuff. Quality is amazing. Pigmentation is amazing. Like, why would we not support our own? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you are encouraged to stay, I hope you are. To learn more details about this look, definitely stay tuned. So first we are going to start with brows today. Today I am using the Look by Joy brow powder in the color dark brown. The Look by Joy is actually a cosmetic line that is based out of Atlanta, Georgia. She is really one of my very good friends that I have known since college. And she has a whole product line from brows to lips to eyeshadows to face products. And definitely check her out. I will link her information in the description box below. And I take long strokes as I am applying. And once you get to the front, I definitely have a lighter hand. I hate the boxy look. Brush those brows up. If you kind of mess up with the shape, first of all, remember these brows are sisters, not twins, okay? So go ahead and apply it on there, and we're gonna always clean it up. You can always clean it up with a little concealer or foundation, whichever you prefer. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealers, number 9 and number 3, and clean up these brows. Right now I'm applying some of the Iman Illuminating highlighter to the highest points of my face. So that is just gonna help give your face like a healthy glow from within. One of the keys for doing a glow from within face is you don't want to put on too much makeup, which requires too much powdering and things like that. You want to have the natural skin glow. So right now I am going to spot correct again with those 2 Juvia's Place concealers and correct up under my eyes and any places that I have some blemishes. I like to color correct when I'm doing a glow from within face with my fingers. I do a lot of stuff with my fingers anyway, but pause. I tend to apply a lot of makeup with my fingers because stuff seems to just go on easier, and also face products seem to just melt into the skin better. Already looking brighter under the eyes, and the skin is still popping. Okay, now to set those places that we put down that cream concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Iman pressed powder, pat that into the skin. We don't want to crease while we are out glowing and looking gorgeous. And I tend to get oily right here on the sides of my nose. Now I'm also going to go in with the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to buff it in. We are not baking. We are just doing everything that we possibly can to set up under the eyes to keep from creasing. I am going to go in with the darker color from the Iman pressed powder and set the perimeter of my face. Okay, to slightly contour those cheeks, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place, that darkest color concealer. Because I don't have any black owned bronzers, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place, the Saharan blush palettes that I have, volumes 1 and 2, and kind of bring some color, some warmth back into the cheek. So I'm gonna use this color Yara. Now to define the contour a little bit more, I'm going in with the color Neo from the Juvia's Place blush palette. Okay, so that is the skin right now, and because this video is really more about skin and the glow within, you know, we're gonna put some on the eyes, but it's mostly gonna be, it's about 2 colors. We're gonna go in with the Zama. I mixed the color Zama and Kufuru, the darker brown right above it. And just and now we're gonna go back in with the Saharan blush from Juvia's Place and grab this color Zara. Again, going in with the fingers just because it is easy to apply. And now I'm gonna smudge that dark brown, the Kufuru color, into the lash line. Now we're gonna go in with, again, the Juvia's Place Saharan blush palette, and we're gonna go in with this gold color, Lila, and bring some glow to these cheeks. That underglow, that's what we want, the underglow. So every time the sun hits you, it just reflects. For the lip liner, I mixed 2 colors together. It is the William Tuttle foundation in the color Ebony, along with the Juvia's Place concealer. For the lips, I am going to go in with another product from the Look by Joy. It's her liquid matte lipsticks in the color Dream Girl. This is actually one of my favorite colors that she has. She has a beautiful orange one too. I forgot the name of it. Put it on the bottom lip and voila. we can always add gloss. You can leave it like this. I think I kind of like it like this, but I will put one of her glosses, Another Look by Joy Original. I think this color is Cotton Candy. And this is the look, people. I tried to use all black owned products today just to highlight how many there black owned brands there are out there. Although I don't have a lot of the products. There's so many that are emerging and that are at great price points that provide amazing quality. I definitely encourage you to do your research and find out some of these amazing black owned products, black owned brands, and try them out. They are amazing. They're very much affordable, and I mean, I don't have anything to complain about. So I hope you enjoyed this time with me today. I enjoy spending time with you. It's a minimum makeup look, not many products used, nothing heavy. I will say one of the most important things in achieving a look, a no makeup look, is skin. Period, point, and blank. So if you don't have a skin regimen, I suggest you get one. There's so much research, there's so much information out there. Go to a dermatologist. I mean, just research it. I mean, you know, and take care of your skin. And don't forget, water is free. It's in your house. Drink it. It does amazing things for your skin, and with fullness and keeping your skin pure and looking clean. As you can see, I didn't use any foundation today, only concealers up under the eye, and I used the Iman pressed powder. In order to be able to do that, you have to have a great skin regimen, and it's something that I pride myself on, and I encourage you to do the same. Again, thank you for joining in, for tuning in, and don't forget to leave a comment below, ring that bell, like, and subscribe.